Illegal gadgets available online. The internet is a vast space for shopping, including some surprising items that you might not expect to find on popular retail sites like Amazon. Despite being against the law, there are certain products that you can purchase online. Here we'll look at some of these illegal gadgets. Number 10. SRTYH listening device. This device, initially intended for construction and repair purposes, can also be used for more covert activities. While it's typically used to measure wood and detect pipeline leaks, the SRTYH listening device boasts a highly sensitive metal probe and improved sound quality headphones. This allows you to listen through various materials like wood, brick walls, windows, doors, and even armor panels. Effectively, it lets users eavesdrop through walls, picking up even the faintest sounds in other rooms. With built-in lithium batteries and a compact design, it's easy to use and carry anywhere. Number 9. Keychain knives. You might be surprised to find sharp knives for sale online, and there are indeed many options available, often packaged in a stylish keychain format. These keychain knives come in various styles, often with a handy keyring to hold your keys securely. However, their standout feature is the easily deployable pointed knife. These tools offer high-quality folding locking knives, ranging from compact pocket knives to unique sets with different designs. One thing is certain, no one will attempt to grab your keys with these around. Number 8. Car key grabber. Every day, nearly 2,000 cars are stolen or broken into in the United States. The reason behind this alarming statistic partly lies in the advanced technology used by automakers to make our lives more convenient. Unfortunately, this same technology can also be exploited by thieves. Modern cars often feature keyless entry and ignition, which allows drivers to unlock and start their vehicles without taking out their key fob. The key fob communicates with the car through a code that's picked up by an antenna inside the vehicle. However, there's a device called a car key grabber that's easily available for purchase online. This grabber captures and records the code emitted by the key fob and then transfers this data to a booster. With this device, a thief can trick the car into believing the genuine key fob is nearby. As a result, they can enter your vehicle without having to manually manipulate the door, making it possible for them to start the engine and drive away. To protect your car, make sure you're cautious about who might be nearby when you use your key fob, as these grabbers can capture the code without your knowledge. Number 7. Mini GPS tracker. Many modern gadgets come with built-in trackers that help you locate them when they're lost. These trackers also have practical uses in surveillance, like real-time vehicle tracking. The GF07 Mini GPS tracker is a magnetic device that can easily attach to any metallic surface, like a car or truck, making it discreet and ideal for tracking vehicles. It has 2 strong magnets for secure attachment, requiring no extra installation. To get GPS coordinates, insert a working SIM card into the device, and you can then track it in real time using the internet, often on platforms like Google Maps. Additionally, you can use the device as a listening device by dialing the SIM card number, activating the microphone to listen to sounds around the tracker without any visible or audible indications. Its small and lightweight design makes it versatile for various purposes. Number 6. Lawmate Clip Camera. While primarily intended for surveillance, it's uncommon for an everyday person to walk around with a clip-on camera. If you're seeking a discreet way to capture high-quality videos, consider the Lawmate Tie Clip. This hidden camera is designed to blend seamlessly with your attire while secretly recording full-color videos. It's battery-powered and can capture 550 lines of resolution. Simply plug it into a DVR for immediate playback. Number 5. USB Destruct Hard Drive Eraser. If you're unsure about the effectiveness of a factory reset on your computer's hard drive, consider the Destruct Hard Drive Data Eraser for peace of mind. Reformatting a hard drive might not guarantee that all sensitive data has been securely removed. This device offers military-grade data erasure, ensuring complete and permanent deletion of documents and files. It's a reliable way to rid your computer of confidential data, ensuring your gadgets can be safely passed on to others. Number 4. Pocketchip. In an era dominated by smartphones and portable computers, it's fascinating to discover gadgets that were ahead of their time and often kept from the market to avoid disrupting existing norms. The Pocketchip is one such device. Positioned as a potential rival to the Raspberry Pi, the Pocketchip is a portable, battery-powered Linux computer equipped with a QWERTY keyboard. Weighing only 0.01 ounces, it features a 4.3-inch screen, a 4GB hard disk, a full-size USB plug, and a GPIO pin breakouts for electronic projects. It runs genuine Linux and comes with the Pico 8 Fantasy console, enabling you to code your own games and modify existing ones. Many professional programmers began their journey by tinkering with games, and the Pocketchip places the experience front and center. Number 3. Night vision goggles. Night vision goggles, originally developed for military use, have found their way into the commercial market. These goggles, now commonly used for activities like hunting and community watch, provide exceptional night vision capabilities. They offer 7 levels of adjustable illumination and an all-optical system, allowing clear visibility of animals and plants, even in total darkness or low-light conditions. They can capture photos, record videos, and provide immediate playback, delivering high-definition images and videos with impressive clarity regardless of the time of day. For hunting, they offer a motion detection function and anti-shake features for stable viewing. With these night vision goggles, activities like nighttime hunting or community safety patrols become a 24-hour endeavor. Number 2. Security Tag Magnet Remover. Most retail stores use security magnets on items, which are removed at the checkout when you make a purchase. Carrying these magnets through the store's exit triggers an alarm that can alert security. But bypassing this initial hurdle is just the beginning. You can actually buy a gadget online that completely removes these security magnets. This magnet remover allows you to take off tags of various sizes and shapes, and it comes with a user-friendly manual to help you use the device effectively. Number 1. Multipick Kronos. Lockpicking can be a useful skill in certain situations, but it can also pose a threat when used with malicious intent. It's concerning that tools to make lockpicking easier can be found online. The Kronos electric lockpick gun from Multipick, a popular product from the company, offers advanced electronics and a powerful motor, making it the quietest electronic pick available. Made in Germany, it's capable of opening most 4, 5, and 6-pin cylinder locks. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy operation. What are your thoughts on these illegal gadgets you can buy online? We'd love to hear your opinions. Please share your comments below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more intriguing stories.